fishing hook keepers. Right here's the little case I got it in. It's got booms on the front. Now I left one in the package to show y'all exactly how they come. So they come in these little packages. You just open them up, and this is the actual hook keeper. This is what it looks like right here. It's got a little padding on the back, and it's got a hook right there for grabbing a hold of your hook. But check out this. This has dual magnets in it. Now you get a large and a small ring right there. Now I went ahead, I've tied 3 of them up right here. And as you can see, my rod sock covers it up. Look how it just slides right over. Y'all see that? So this is my rod that I'm using it on right here. This is the Versus rod, and it doesn't have a hook keeper on it, but now it does. Now this is the micro chatterbait. You can see what this little guy looks, and this is, I highly recommend this micro chatterbait. I've been pretty much nailing the bass on this thing. I really like this one a lot. But we're talking about this hook keeper right now. Watch how it works. So that's a magnet. It grabs the hook quicker. This actually grabs the hook, and it's just like that. Y'all see that? That just hooks in there so perfectly. So I put it on the outside. You can put it on the inside or outside, but I like it here on the outside. Now, watch when I move it. So I grab it real quickly. So what I do, I grab it. Now normally I used to hook down here, but with this, I just go right there. And then I can even pull the rod sock down over top of it, and it doesn't hook into it. Now I also have it on, what I got it on here. Here's my larger jig. You can see how this one looks right here. So this is the chatterbait with a hog farmer on the back, and look how nicely it holds this on. So even a larger hook like that, it just locks into place. So you could even use these for soft plastics, but mostly I use them on these casting rods because of the fact they don't really have hook keepers on them, and I don't like hooking into that area right there into where the, because a lot of times what happens is I get in there, here's what ends up happening, let me show you. I accidentally go through the hole and I hit the line, and I just kind of like mess up the line a little bit. This right here gets me out of the actual fishing line. You can actually feel that magnet. That magnet holds it by itself and doesn't let it fall out. Y'all see that? That's just barely hanging in. That's actually just hanging by the magnet. See that, how good that magnet is? I'm definitely gonna be picking up some more of these Booms hook keepers for my arsenal here. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Booms hook keepers. See you on the next video.